Welcome back, welcome back. I'm just finishing off this little bit here. And we can use some heat. Wow, did I make this too thick? It won't even go. It's a Friday night. It's a small town girl. I might need to use something to smush this together a bit more. Or do I need to cut off a bit? Maybe I need to cut off a bit. Let's see. This is just too much of a large chunk of cable. Everything you wanted. We are the night. Oh man. This was not turning out to be as easy as I anticipated it would be. It's fighting me like so many things do. Come on, get in there. Alright, well, it went in. And then hopefully with a little bit of heat, we can shrink that rubber. Let's see, can we do it with this? Will this do it? It's probably better to use a blow dryer, but I don't have one handy. It's a Friday night, small town girl, and we rule the world. 212. Whoa, everything you want. We are the night. It's working pretty well. Again, this is not ideal, guys. If you've got a blow dryer handy or something else that you can use to shrink, use that instead of a soldering iron like what I'm doing. But I haven't got all day. I gotta get to the next application that I need to work on today, so I will just do this for now. It's doing okay. Not the best job, but it'll do. And at the very least, it's going to stop the wires from touching each other and starting a fire. We have enough of those in California. We do not need any more fires in California. So let's hope that we can have good luck on that. So we want people to be safe. Alright, so there you have it. All done. Not the best job, but I'm going to turn off this soldering iron and we'll move to the next bit. Thanks for watching, guys.